Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your mobile operations center in Grand Theft Auto 5. Unfortunately, the straightforward answer is that you cannot sell your mobile operations center for cash. Unlike many other vehicles or properties in the game, there is no dedicated in-game mechanism or location that allows you to trade it in or receive a refund. Once you acquire this powerful asset, it becomes a permanent part of your criminal enterprise. The reason you cannot sell your mobile operations center stems from its design as a core property rather than a standard vehicle. It serves as a crucial hub for launching special missions, customizing weaponized vehicles, and storing personal vehicles. Rockstar Games intended it to be a significant, long-term investment for players, integrating it deeply into the game's progression and content. This design choice means it remains with you indefinitely. While selling for cash is not an option, you can effectively replace your mobile operations center. If you purchase a new MOC from Warstock Cash and Carry, it will automatically overwrite your current one. However, it is crucial to understand that this process does not provide any monetary refund for your old unit. All previous customizations and upgrades on your original MOC will be lost when the new one takes its place. Even though you cannot sell it, the Mobile Operations Center retains significant value within Grand Theft Auto 5. It is indispensable for accessing specific missions that unlock trade prices on weaponized vehicles, potentially saving you millions of dollars. Its robust armor can withstand dozens of rockets, making it a formidable defensive tool. Ultimately, its enduring utility for missions, customization, and protection solidifies its place as a worthwhile, albeit permanent, acquisition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.